So you're gearing up to buy or sell this year and you're wondering, should I use a real estate agent to help me in the process, whether I'm buying or I'm getting ready to list my home for sale? And by no means do you need to use a real estate agent, but is it honestly the best idea to not use one? Well, if you're using a professional real estate agent that does this as their full-time job and they have years and years of experience like myself with over 9.5 years of experience under my belt, you can either save or lose thousands and thousands of dollars by not working with a realtor. So today's video, we're gonna be breaking down 5 or 6 reasons on why you should be working with a real estate agent and some of the benefits that come with working with somebody like myself. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jordan Pyle and I am your go-to Chicago real estate agent. My team and I have been servicing the city of Chicago for the last 10 years and we'd be absolutely honored to help you with your real estate goals. So whether you're moving to Chicago from another city or maybe you're just moving around in Chicago, we have experience with both and we get calls, texts, emails, DMs from people just like yourself every single day and we'd be honored to serve you. So feel free to reach out at the number here on the screen and somebody from our team will get in touch with you within 24 hours. And lastly, be sure to check out all the free resources down in the description. If you have any questions or any comments, feel free to leave those down below and like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you inside the video. So the number one reason why you want to work with a quality realtor is their knowledge and expertise on the hyper-local market. Real estate agents have extensive knowledge and expertise in the real estate market that you are looking to buy or sell in. They understand the local market trends, prices, and property values, and they can provide you with valuable insights on the neighborhood, transportation, how long it's going to take you to get to and from work or to and from school every day, amenities, schools for your kids, and other factors that may affect your real estate decision. We can also guide you through the complex legal and financial processes involved with buying or selling in property. Real estate agents have access to a vast network of other professionals, friends, colleagues, and other agents in the industry, such as mortgage lenders, appraisers, home inspectors, and attorney, to make sure that you have the right team in place so that your buying or selling experience is the best one possible. So when people reach out to me, one of the recurring themes that I see is that people have a ton of overwhelm, and from the outside looking in, the process of buying or selling can seem very complex and it can seem very daunting. So one of the things that I make sure that I like to do with my clients is to instill confidence and clarity and to empower them that the process is the process, and if we follow the process, we're gonna get the right desired outcome. So being able to be that soundboard for you to bounce ideas off of, to be able to be the ground opinion, the person that's using logic versus emotion. There's a lot of emotion wrapped up in buying or selling a property. So one of our duties as a realtor is to be the sound voice of reasoning and logic so that we can match our logic with your emotion so that we can make sure you're making the best decisions possible. So the last thing I want to mention on knowledge and expertise is that real estate is a very hyper-local market. So if you're seeing headlines, you're hearing about what the market's doing in Arizona or California or Texas or maybe even South Florida, just take all that with a grain of salt, because real estate is hyper-local, and just here in Chicago we have 77 different neighborhoods and every one has its own characteristics. There's different features of the market, whether it's a buyer's market, a seller's market, whether it sways one way or another, or just in general how much demand and how much supply is in the given market that you're looking to transact in. So working with a real estate agent that has experience in the exact and specific market that you're looking in is going to be crucial so that you can make the best real estate decision possible. Second reason you want to work with a real estate agent, and this is more specifically on the buying side, is that we have access to exclusive listings that you're not going to see online. These are referred to as pocket listings or off-market listings. So by having a lot of colleague resources and friends in the industry, there are things that are getting ready to come to market that are not yet on the market, right? So if you're looking on Zillow, you're looking on Redfin, you're looking potentially on the Compass app that I have, you will not see all of the available inventory that you may have to choose from. And in a low inventory market like the one we're in now, where it's very much a seller's market and more demand is out there than supply, having access to these exclusive off-market listings can be an absolute game changer so you can find the perfect property for you and maybe even avoid some of the competition. So when working with your realtor of choice, make sure that you're not only exploring what's on the market, but you're asking them to go and try to find exclusive off-market listings that could fit the bill for the property you're looking for. So the next reason you're gonna wanna work with a real estate agent is because of negotiation skills and familiarity in the process so that you can get the best deal possible, whether you're selling and trying to sell at the highest price in the quickest period of time, or you're buying and you're trying to get the best price with the best terms that fit your needs. Negotiation is an essential aspect of buying or selling a property, so real estate agents are skilled negotiators who can help you get the best deal possible, as I mentioned. We have experience dealing with different personalities, and we know how to navigate tricky situations to ensure that both parties get what they want and it's a win-win situation. In my opinion, real estate is not a winner-loser combination. The goal is to always find some type of middle ground that creates a win-win situation for a buyer and a seller. If we approach the process like this and we negotiate fiercely, but we negotiate honestly and we negotiate with logic versus emotion, a lot of times you're gonna win out that property if you're buying, or if you're selling the property, you're gonna maximize the dollar amount that you get for that sale. Also, as it relates to this, real estate agents that are on your team and that represent your best interests, we can often see out in advance and into the future to help you identify potential issues and resolve them before they become major problems. For example, we can help you negotiate repairs or other issues up front that may arise during a home inspection that creates a major headache down the road. We can also help you navigate any issues that may come up during the closing process, such as delays or disputes over repairs. The next reason you want to work with a real estate agent is we can save you time and energy in the process. Buying or selling a property can be a time-consuming and energy-draining process, and working with a real estate agent can give you both that time and that energy back because we do this 24/7, day in and day out. We understand that everyone has their own life, they have their own jobs, they have their own responsibilities, so for you to have to worry about things that you shouldn't be worrying about is gonna be a huge drain on your time and energy. So just give the power to your real estate agent and your professional that does this on a daily basis. And our goal is to make this as efficient, as effective as possible with creating the least amount of headaches for you as we can. And if you're working with somebody like myself, I have a full-time transaction manager who is there to be my eyes and ears, to cross the T's and to dot the I's, and to help you in whether it be signing paperwork, dropping off checks, and various other tasks and administrative duties that come up throughout the process that can be a drag on your time and your energy. So the next reason on the list is that we have a professional network that you can use to your advantage. Real estate agents have a vast network of professionals in the industry that they team up with and that they partner with, including lenders, inspectors, appraisers, contractors, stagers, handymen, and many other people that can help you in the process of buying or selling. And last but not least, support after the sale. So I never say it's a done deal after you close on the property, and I'm always here to be a resource for you, whether you're looking to paint something or maybe you need to do a remodel. If you need any type of contractor, you need a good painter, you need any type of referral resource, that is our job, is to make sure that we are continuing to add value after the sale. All that being said, in conclusion, there are many reasons why you want to work with a real estate agent, even though you don't have to. However, I believe strongly and confidently that it's going to either save you money when you're buying or it's going to make you more money when you're selling. So that's the end of the video. I hope it's been helpful. If it has, please do us a favor, like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the notifications so you catch all of our future videos. If you want any help in your buying or selling process and your real estate goals, feel free to reach out to my team at the number on the screen. Until next time, peace.